Healthy and quick mutton pulao recipe. Mutton washed as per choice. First of all, make mutton soup. Take pan. Add washed mutton meat. Add sabat masala as per choice, salt and turmeric powder 1 or 2 pinch, sabat onion, sabat garlic, cut sliced ginger. Add some water, even meat soft, and mix soup. Low flame ready meat soup or yani. When meat soft, then soup ready like this. Rice washed well and remain 1 hour. Onion cut, garlic cut, chopped garlic cut, sliced tomatoes, and green chili cut slice. Meat separate and soup separate. Dry masala like salt, red chili, turmeric powder, mix garam masala, zira cumin, take all masala. Take pan. Add cooking oil. Add onion, garlic, ginger. When light brown, add mutton meat. Well mix. Add dry masala. Add tomatoes, green chili. All well cook. Add imli water as per choice. All cooked. Add soup or yani water as measure per choice. Rice, for example, to glass rice, add water 3 glass. When water boiled, add rice. When water dry with rice, then take dam 15 to 20 minutes. Mutton pulao is ready. Tasty.